Hey guys, Rachel here, and I had to show you this one. It is a Kodiak Dutchman. It's a 2018 a Bunkhouse, and right now we just got it in. I don't even know if it's on the website yet, but it is in great condition, and for the price, it's insane. So I know that it's going to go fast, but I want to show you. We'll start from the outside, come in, and you guys let me know what you think. All right, let's go. It's a Kodiak Ultimate. Like I said, it's a 2018 model 330BHSL. I believe it has 3 slides. Maybe it's, yeah, 3 slides. It is a fiberglass, which is great. It looks really nice. You've got a nice long awning, and you have an outdoor kitchen. And I have not seen the outdoor kitchen, so let's take a look. Got a nice big fridge, a sink, plenty of storage area, some lights out here. This is real nice. All right, nice and big. All right, let's take a look inside. Yes, so it's, like I said, for the price, I am just so excited to show you guys. So we'll start in the kitchen. We've got a 3-burner. We've got a nice size fridge. I love this island as well. It's beautiful. And then you got a nice size sink. Some drawers down below, so plenty of room down here. Let's take a look. And now, actually, we just got this in, but I had to share with you real quick. So you got a 3-burner, you got your oven, you got your microwave, some more storage space, but also more counter space as well. Over here, you've got your dinette. It's a U-shaped dinette, which of course can go into another bed or another couch. You've got this couch over here. And then right across you have your entertainment, which has a lot of storage space right here. See if you can see it. The sun might be in the way, but here's your TV that swivels. You got some more storage space in here, which these can come out so that you can, maybe you have something to hang up in here. You have that option, which is really nice. Down here, we've got our bunkhouse. Now let me see if you can see in here. Let me see if there's a, let's see if I can turn on a light. There we go. There we go. All right, so we've got bed, 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 which of course this one goes into a dinette for the kiddos. So it's really, really nice that you have that option. You've got entertainment over there. You also have your closet space over here. I mean, it's quite a bit of room. You might get new twin size beds, but the space in here is great. They have so much room to do their thing. And the fact that they have a table in here is always really, really nice. All right, moving on, we've got our bathroom right down here, which it has 2 doors, one into, from here, and then one into the master bedroom, which is great. So you've got a nice big shower, all that natural light coming in, plenty of space in here to do your thing. And like I said, it has 2 doors, so we're gonna go through here. But we do have more storage space here and down there. And then the master bedroom, which plenty of room to walk on both sides. Love it. And then you can hang up your clothes. You can hang up your clothes here. You can hang your clothes in the hallway. And then you've got a big amount of space right behind here as well. You got little side tables on each side and outlets as well. Oh, and little lights. Maybe one of you all is a reader. Then you can have one light on and the other one off, or however you want it. But what do you guys think? I'm going to tell you right now, it's only $25,995, so it will go fast. It's just the way it is. So if you are interested, please let me know. Call, text, email. Come up here and see me, of course, and we can go from there. But until next time, guys.